everyone, it's Magnoila For Everything, and today we are going to make slime. And what we're going to do is we have some cornstarch, 100% pure baker corn. I bet you can find this at Walmart and stuff. It's really good for making slime. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this cornstarch and we're going to put a whole cup of it in here. Let's do that. Oh, it's not open. Well, I guess we gotta open it. Just to be extra careful, I put some napkins on the table. We don't want it getting on the table. That would be bad. Oh, look at that. That looks so satisfying. So fluffy, like clouds and ice. It looks like a little bit like ice cream from a distance, or sour cream. I'm pretty sure that is enough. We're gonna smooth it out. We're gonna tie it back up because we don't want anything falling out. We're gonna put it back in the box. There you go. Now, we're gonna put it in here, in the bowl. Whoa, that was a big powder. Make sure you get all of it. Now, we're going to grab just a little bit of water. I'm going to put it in the bowl with the cornstarch. Then, we're going to grab the spoon and we're going to mix it around. And what this will do, it will create a surface, like it will make a hard surface, sort of like Jello. And it'll bounce up and stuff. Already it's getting hard. So you keep stirring. It'll be looking like milk. I think we may need a little bit more cornstarch. You are supposed to put it in the thing. We may need a little bit more cornstarch. You could have just said that, but now your hand's in there. But anyway, we're gonna put a little more cornstarch. See how that goes. Oh, the box. Then we're gonna grab it. As you can see, it's sort of getting chunky. It looks like a little milk. As you can see, the tenseness, it's making it really hard for me to stir. I think I need to add a little bit more cornstarch. We want it to feel like Jello. Probably enough. This is getting messy. It's all over me. Oh no, it's all over the table. Oh, that's fine. I mean, who cares anyway? Then we're gonna keep stirring. See how it's making it sort of like a crunchy pudding? Well, that's sort of what we want, and we want to crunch all of this down. Yeah! I don't know if this is turning out to look like slime. Huh? No, maybe I should use my hands instead. it's melting in my hand. Oh, it's melting. See? My hand is super hot to the point it's like melting out of my hand. It's solid in the bowl, but when I pick up some, it just melts in my hand like white chocolate. Isn't that cool? So when you grab a big chunk of hard thing and put it in your hand, it just melts instantly. Isn't that cool? Whoa. Look at that. It's so satisfying. Feels really satisfying. Feels sort of like milk. A little hard creamed milk. And you can make this at home with a parent's supervision. Be sure to ask your parents for permission to use cornstarch because it is very messy. And I think that's how we make slime. It's pretty fun. Peace out.